guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start today's video, just make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video, please, and also hit the notification bell. And first what you do is add clear glue to a bowl to make basic clear slime. You add the clear glue to the bowl, and then you don't need to mix yet. Okay, then you need a clear activator so the slime doesn't, so the slime turns clear. I'm using Clear Tide. You add the activator very slow, like not too much activator at a time, and mix. The slime won't turn clear the day you make it because of all the air bubbles, but it will turn clear in 3 days. Right now it kind of looks clear, but it's not fully clear. And you just keep adding activator until the slime is ready. When it's done, it'll look like this. Well, this one's not fully clear, but it'll turn fully clear. And you need to put it in a container, in a tight container, so it doesn't dry out. And the containers I use are in like jars. So yeah. And just keep adding activator because mine is until it's ready. Okay, so this is what how the slime turns out when it's done. It's opaque, but it's gonna turn clear in 3 days. Make sure to stay till the end of the video and subscribe to my channel. And this is what the slime looks like when it's clear, but this slime is obviously dyed bluish green, and like here's how it looks on the inside. And now I'm just going to be saying some tips to keep the slime, how to make clear slime and make the slime clear. So the first thing you need, obviously you saw, is a bowl. And you need a clear activator or else the slime won't turn clear, because the activator won't be clear and it'll turn the slime white or whatever color you dyed it. And you need clear glue because of the slime. If you don't use clear glue, then it won't turn out clear. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing an ASMR, so yeah. Okay, so now it is the end of my video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. And also go follow my Musical.ly. It's Ashley 43274327. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like the video. Bye!